Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike. In this video we're going to take a look at what's going to be my latest restoration project. This is a 1978 Bridgestone Submariner, which is kind of an odd name. And I bought this from the brother of the first owner. It has some very nice details, like the headlight, which is directly mounted on the wheel dynamo. This Suntour shifter, these Suntour shifters. And it also has some flaws, like for sure the bar tape wasn't original already, if I'm correct, and it's in need of replacement. This seat post is also very funny. You might have noticed it didn't have a bolt, at least not one that's visible. That's because the bolt is inside the seat post. Here you can see the beautiful Suntour 7 rear derailleur and the rusted front derailleur. The pedals were bent, both of them. And overall, I didn't really see that in the ad. But overall, the bike was in worse shape than I would like it to be. There is some rust. The tires, I didn't see that the tires, especially the rear one, was totally gone. And if you have rust on a bike, you know you're going to have run into the risk of having troubles with the bottom bracket. This is a very weird but very nice rear brake. It's one of the aspects why I bought this bike, aside from the fact that that is also a stainless steel bike with aluminum lugs and steel rear stays. That's funny, weird to me. It's really heavy and it's really nice. It has a nice color scheme with the silver black. I'm going to redo the black paint because it's chipped and damaged and faded as well. And I'm going to be polishing everything that can be polished, like the crankset, the brakes, the front brake, possibly the fenders as well, and a lot of rust removal. But overall, I'm really looking forward to working on this project. I'm currently on a holiday, so I have to wait a bit longer. And you will be seeing a lot of videos about me restoring this bike. And I hope I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.